In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show lunar moon phases in Google Calendar. If you've ever wanted a quick way to track the lunar cycle alongside your meetings and reminders, this built-in Google Calendar option makes it simple. We'll walk through a short setup, and by the end, you'll see moon icons right on your calendar dates so you can plan around new moons, full moons, and everything in between. Start by opening Google Calendar in a web browser on your computer. Using a desktop browser gives you the clearest view of the settings we're about to use. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account where you want the moon phases to appear, so the changes apply to the correct calendar. Next, look to the top right corner of Google Calendar for the settings gear icon. Click that gear. This takes you into the area where you can manage extra calendars and useful add-ons that Google provides. On the left side of the settings page, find the section labeled Add Calendar. Click it to expand the options, then choose Browse Calendars of Interest. This page collects helpful calendars you can subscribe to with a single click, including holidays, sports schedules in some regions, and the lunar phases we want today. Now scroll through the list until you see phases of the moon. When you find it, check the box to activate it. That's it. Here is no extra configuration required. The moment you enable it, Google Calendar subscribes to an always updated lunar calendar and overlays the information on your own view. Head back to your main calendar, and you should notice small moon icons on the appropriate dates, reflecting the current lunar cycle in your time zone. These entries are informational, so they won't send notifications or interfere with your events. They simply appear as a separate calendar layer that you can show or hide at any time. If you don't see the icons right away, try a quick page refresh. You can also zoom in to a week or day view if you want a closer look, though the month view typically shows the progression most clearly. Because this is a read-only calendar provided by Google, you don't need to worry about updates. The phases will automatically stay accurate over time, and if you decide you don't want it visible later, just return to the same Browse Calendars of Interest page and uncheck phases of the moon to hide it. That's all it takes to display lunar phases in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.